In most homes, almost 80% of falls happen right here in the bathroom. Around pools, up to 100,000 people slip and fall every year. Overall, more than 70% of household accidents are caused by slips and falls. The first step in avoiding slip and fall accidents is to identify high-risk areas. These include home kitchens, living rooms, bathrooms and laundry rooms, entryway floors, patios, pool and hot tub areas, and much, much more. Anti-slip treatments can be used on all types of unsealed tile, including porcelain, ceramic, slate, stone, quarry, and travertine. The anti-slip treatment works by creating invisible microtreads that turn slippery tiles into safe tiles with just one application. Before we show you how it works, let's discuss coverage. 1 gallon covers up to 400 square feet with one application and lasts for years. Before installing an anti-slip treatment, first do a test application on a small area to get the best results. Start by cleaning and drying the area. Then apply the anti-slip treatment onto the test area, and with a rubber-soled shoe, check the grip every 30 seconds by applying downward pressure. Once you are happy with the grip, make a note of how long you left the treatment on until you achieved the perfect grip, and then use water to rinse the area. There's also a time guideline printed on the bottle. Now you're ready to start the application of the entire area. The first step is to spray a floor cleaner onto the area and use a mop or broom to agitate. Then rinse with clean water and dry the area with a mop. For step 2, spray the tile treatment evenly over the entire area and leave it for the same time that you used in your test. Remember to never let the treatment dry on your tiles. Next, rinse thoroughly with water and dry the area with a mop. Your tiles are now ready to be put back into use. Your tiled floors are now safe and will protect your family and friends from slip and fall accidents. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe, or click here for application guides to our other products. Thank you for watching. Slip no more with Slip No More.